Everyone, I am L. Pandu, Assistant Professor of CSE Department from Malaradi College of Engineering. So today I am going to present a video on the topic of control statements in C programming. So in generally everyone know about the C programming. Basically for the programming purpose we are going to use the basics one, that is a C, guys. So coming to in C, control statement is a major and it plays a vital role in the programming. So in that way I am going to start with the basics concept of the control statements. That is, there are three types. Before that, what do you mean by control statements? So basically, for a program, we are going to execute means, or we are going to run a code means, we need to mention some statements. That is, so many steps, three types of statements are there. So before that, what do you mean by the control statements? So you can check once. The control statements is nothing but which statements execute the correct way. So if anything is not satisfied, the statements or the conditions, then we are going to go to the next statement or condition. So in this way, we are going to check that we are going to help. We are going to use these statements for the taking for decision making and the repeating task. If the conditions are not satisfied, so we are going to go to the first again. We are going to come from the first. So in a same way. So jumping to different parts of code. It means in a code we are going to mention so many conditions or so many statements. If the conditions or statements are not satisfied with the previous statement, then we are going to go to the first one. So it means with the help of jumping statements only we are going to do that one. The next one is essential for writing the logical programs. Basically the control statement is very helpful to create of the logical programs. So next, you can check there are three types of the control statements are there. In that the first one is decision making statements, and second one the looping statements, and third one is the jump statements. You can check one by one here. So decision making statements, there are four types are there. If else, and else if, ladder, and finally switch. So in this one, each one plays a different roles. If is giving only the single statement. Now coming to if else, if condition is not satisfied, then it goes to the second condition with the help of else statement. Next same way, if else ladder. So if so many statements we are going to use in the conditions, that time we are going to take the help of if else ladder. Next that is a switch. So these are the statements. So we are going to use in the So these four are the types in the decision making statements. Next coming to if else statement. Here guys, we are going to, you can check here, if is we are giving in if statement we are given the one statement. Here the printer statement we are, that is a condition is satisfied means it is enough here only. But if else, if condition is not satisfied, it is going to giving the another statement means we are taking the next, which one is the greater. Same way, here looping statement. In a looping statement there are three types. There is one is a for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Same way how the if and while we are performing the same conditions, here also the loop and loops also performing the same way. Now coming to the do while loop. Do while loop is giving the, you can check here, execute at least one statement correctly, it is executed in a statement. If not means that it goes to the next statement. That is a jump statement. Here only in a name only they give it the jump. If conditions are not satisfied, then it jumps to the previous statements. So like this way we are going to get a knowledge with the help of the control statements in C programming. So coming to conclusion guys, the control statement manages the flow of the data in execution part of the C guys. So in everywhere whenever we are going to execute the programs, they are going to reduce our time, and the performance of the programs is very improper and efficient and readability. And coming to the final point, that is the fundamental concept for mastering C program purpose, we are going to use the control statements in programming. Thank you.